12 healthy habits and tips. Want to feel better, live longer, and stay energized every day? Let's dive into 12 simple but powerful healthy habits that can change your life. Start your day with a glass of water. It kick-starts your metabolism and flushes out toxins. Eat a balanced breakfast. A balanced breakfast fuels your brain and body. Don't skip it. Move every hour. Take short breaks to walk or stretch. It boosts circulation and reduces fatigue. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing or journaling can reduce stress and improve focus. Add more fruits, veggies, nuts, and whole grains to your meals. Your body will thank you. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day to stay energized and focused. Quality sleep helps your body repair and boosts immunity. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Reduce blue light exposure 1 hour before sleep. It helps you fall asleep faster. Meaningful relationships improve mental health. Spend time with people who uplift you. Practice good hygiene. Clean habits prevent illness and keep your body functioning at its best. Find an activity you enjoy and make it part of your routine. Even 30 minutes a day makes a difference. Small goals add up. Track your progress and celebrate your wins, no matter how tiny. Healthy habits aren't about being perfect. They're about being consistent. Start small and stick with it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Research and Health Media, and share this video with someone who needs a healthy boost today.